Hello, it's Simon Sutton George from Tenerife Property Group, and today we're in El Madroñal. We're in a complex called El Naranjal. We'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the ground floor. Community's got a lovely community pool as well, and we've got a sea view from the terrace. Let's have a look around. A fully fitted kitchen here, so it looks reasonably new. The lounge. Now, all of this furniture here, if you were to come into the apartment, you'll smell the sofa there. It's a leather sofa. It smells of leather. It's a good sized terrace. Now, I think we'll have a bit of sun here later on as the sun comes round. 1 double bedroom here, with some fitted wardrobes. Bathroom here. We've got a bath, and a shower. Double bedroom here. So again, fitted wardrobes. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com.